Okay, so coconut oil. Have you heard about it? If not, buckle up because today I'm about to blow your mind with 7 awesome reasons you need this in your routine. Reason 1. Ultimate skin hydration. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that lock in moisture and create a protective barrier. No more flaky skin. Reason 2. Hair goals achieved. Coconut oil helps reduce protein loss, making hair stronger and shinier. Plus, it fights frizz and nourishes your scalp. Hello, gorgeous hair days. Reason 3. Bye-bye harsh makeup removers. Coconut oil melts away makeup without stripping your skin. Just apply a little, wipe off, and feel how soft your face feels. Reason 4. Freshen up your mouth. Oil pulling, anyone? Swish coconut oil to fight bacteria and plaque and help whiten teeth. Imagine fresh breath and a whiter smile, all from a natural product. Reason 5. Boost your metabolism. MCTs in coconut oil can increase your metabolism, helping you burn energy more efficiently. It's a healthy fat that can keep you feeling fuller, longer, and give you that extra energy boost. So, there you have it. From skincare to hair care, digestion to weight management, coconut oil is the multitasker you didn't know you needed. Ready to add it to your routine? Drop a coconut emoji in the comments if you're already using coconut oil, or if you're excited to try it. Let me know how you use it. And don't forget to share this with a friend who needs to know about these amazing benefits.